AI tools are becoming essential in a designer's toolkit. However, with numerous options available, it can be challenging to choose the best ones. This video is designed to simplify your decision-making process by providing a curated list of essential tools. Let's get started. DreamStudio. DreamStudio, previously known as Stable Diffusion and owned by industry leader Stability AI, is an AI design tool crafted for producing top-notch artwork, whether for illustrations or photorealistic images. Simply input your prompt or upload a photo, then choose the style and size preferences. DreamStudio promptly initiates the creative process, generating multiple variations of your envisioned artwork. The tool keeps a record of your history, enabling you to revisit and track all your creations. For image adjustments, you can utilize the editor, a limitless workspace with layers, facilitating the addition, removal, and modification of individual elements in your masterpiece. Additionally, enhance your image resolution effortlessly in seconds. Designs.ai. Designs.ai is a comprehensive AI-assisted design toolkit that redefines expectations for what an AI graphic design tool can achieve. Whether you're crafting a standout logo, a compelling video, or an impactful social media advertisement, Designs.ai equips you with a complete set of tools. Its distinctive strength lies in its machine learning capabilities, which enhance the design process by learning from your preferences and providing a range of customized design solutions. More than just a diverse toolkit, Designs.ai ensures an efficient and personalized design journey. Whether your project involves branding or video production, its versatile suite is designed to meet every creative requirement. With its user-friendly platform, Designs.ai fosters creativity and originality, catering to individuals regardless of their design background. Adobe Sensei. Adobe Sensei stands out as a valuable but often overlooked machine learning technology. Launched in 2016, it has seamlessly integrated into the Adobe ecosystem, being an integral part of the Creative Cloud suite, as well as various marketing and analytics apps and services. Sensei's AI tools have undergone training using a diverse range of sources, including Adobe stock images, openly licensed products, and public domain content with expired licenses. Utilizing the simple command generate allows users to access images tailored to their specific needs. Notably, Sensei can discern deep and emotional concepts within an image, considering elements such as color palette and background details. One of its standout features is the automatic identification and tagging of images, making it particularly beneficial for marketers and designers dealing with a high volume of photos on a daily basis. Galileo AI. Introduced in 2022, Galileo AI has transformed the process of creating user interface designs. Its UI design generator, informed by thousands of outstanding designs, produces high-fidelity layouts and illustrations tailored for various platforms. The tool's usage is straightforward. Simply provide a text description. Galileo AI will subsequently generate a comprehensive interface design, complete with customized icons and copies. Make your design stand out by easily incorporating minor tweaks to surpass common UI patterns. Khroma. Color, a crucial psychological design element, has the power to influence user decision-making. However, navigating through the myriad of shades can be perplexing. Enter Khroma, your go-to AI color tool for simplifying the process of selecting the perfect palette. Khroma serves as a personalized color palette generator, leveraging AI in graphic design. Trained on a multitude of human-made palettes, it excels in producing effective color combinations. Enhancing its capabilities, you can train Khroma's neural network by choosing colors that resonate with you. The result? Beautiful and personalized palettes presented in gradients, typography, or custom images. Conveniently, you can save your favorite palettes for later use, complete with names, hex codes, and WCAG accessibility ratings. Easily filter the generator based on factors like hue, tint, and color. AutoDraw. Developed by Google, AutoDraw exemplifies the accessibility of AI design tools. It seamlessly transforms your rough sketches into polished illustrations, utilizing a machine learning algorithm that anticipates your drawing intentions and offers a curated selection of refined sketches. AutoDraw is a game-changer for swift sketching and ideation, seamlessly integrating AI into the creative process. With its intuitive interface and machine learning capabilities, it caters to a broad audience, from doodling enthusiasts to professional designers. Whether you're engaged in a complex design project or simply sketching for enjoyment, AutoDraw's predictive drawings elevate and streamline your creative journey. Alpaca. Alpaca showcases the capabilities of AI and 3D modeling by taking your 2D design and leveraging the power of machine learning to transform it into a 3D model. The tool interprets the depth and perspective of your design, resulting in a three-dimensional model that offers a more realistic view of your project. This innovation from Alpaca not only allows product designers and architects to animate their 2D sketches but also produces three-dimensional models from flat designs. This functionality significantly enhances the visualization of projects, making Alpaca an ideal tool for those seeking a comprehensive 3D representation of their designs. So, that was our video on the 7 AI tools for every professional designer. Tell us which one you are waiting the most to try out. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe so that you can always hustle more, but with ease.